Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video we will be seeing Sari Expo review. There are a lot of Sari Expos that's happening in Chennai right now. Every month you have some expo that is happening, and a lot of competition and lot of competitors are there for the Sari business right now. I just wanted to explore the Sari Expo with Universal Boutique and share my honest experience. So come along. Hi.
Hi dear, love you.
எடுத்த பீசஸ் எல்லாமே கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க டேபிள் மேலே சாய
இதுவும் அதுக்கப்புறம் இதுவும் தந்துடுங்க. Hi, so I have come to Tia, the home of clothing, and she has a wonderful variety of sarees here lined up. All these are just starting from 620 up till ranging to 1200, I believe, and all the collections are very wonderful. You must visit at Saubhagya Mall. Thank you.
இல்லடி பாக்குறேன்.
போவே பத்திரமா.
இல்ல நம்ம பார்த்த மாடல்.
I am back from the expo. I have made few purchases and let's dive in. I'll show you each one of them. It was a wonderful experience out there. There were too many people during the expo that I could meet. Lot of crowd that came in to support her, and why I wanted to visit this expo was because I wanted to know the truth. There was a lot of commotion against Maithili from Universe Boutique. I wanted to know what is exactly the truth. How is the expo happening? Are people really happy about it? Are customers really coming in? How are all the small entrepreneurs feeling about it? But the reality is, the first time I met her, she was very warm and welcoming, and I really liked the way she was speaking to me, and I had a few words with her. I just told her that I was going by the notion of what was being portrayed on social media, on the YouTube channels regarding her first expo. But when I went for her second expo, I was able to see a lot of people coming in. She was really sweet with everybody out there, and there were too many stalls that was put up, and I really like them. If you have a wonderful product that you would like to showcase and get attention from people, then yeah, you can join her as well. You can coordinate with her. The main thing is, if you believe that your product can be sold anywhere, then please come to the expo, showcase your products, because there were few small entrepreneurs who just started their Insta page. They were having literally like 400 to 500 followers, and their collections are really amazing. So if you want to have that experience of how customers are with you for your products, then obviously the expo is one thing that you can really redeem on. And this is my honest experience, and let me show you all the purchases. So the first purchase that I did in the expo was Tia, the home of clothing. She had a variety of cotton saris out there, ranging from 650 to up to 1200. All her sari collections were really nice. I was a little bit confused on what to pick up, but the first thing that I saw was this black color sari. I really like this one. I think around 850, I believe it was, and I picked this up. And again, this sari also in the same range. So it's a nice blue color sari. Yeah, and you can pair them up with the white color blouse as well as a contrast blouse. It will look very good. This was my first purchase. The next purchase that I did was from Mickey Fashion. You will not believe how much it is. It is just 150 rupees, and there was a lot of crowd in his store actually. There were a lot of people just coming in, bargaining, get things done. For 150, 350, for 650, you were having all the kurti collections. cord sets as well. So this one I just picked it for 150 rupees. I really like the print on it. I was only able to pick one in that huge crowd. I was unable to find the right size as well. So that's why this purchase just 150 and I liked it. My next purchase was from a store called AD Threads. You can follow her on Insta. And this is a nice sari. She has unique collections. So as soon as I saw this white color sari, I really wanted to pick this up. So I just got them. And this was just for 850 rupees. You'll not believe it's a steal deal again. I really like the print on it, the flower prints. So yeah, something in white. Right now I'm really loving it. And the next piece was this beautiful sari. This was just costing me around 350 rupees. The print is really nice. So it's a nice beautiful sari. I liked her collections and it was really unique and nice. The next sari is from SKM Boutique. Okay, even she had a few pieces that I really liked. I bought this beautiful cotton sari. Let me show it to you. This beautiful sari. There were different kind of color prints as well. Green, red, orange in this range. It was 699. I got it for 650 and I liked it. So you can wear it for office. You can wear it for any outing that you do. And I'm in love with these saris. Let's dive into some jewelry collections. So I was able to find few nice pieces, rings, I would say. So this ring is a heart ring, if you can see. This costed me just 150 rupees. I liked it. And I bought a few more rings as well. And all these are tarnish free rings. Okay. And there was one more heart ring that I bought. I'm a fan of hearts. This one beautiful piece, if you can see closer. This was also for 150. I really liked all the jewelry collection that was kept there, and yeah. Then let me show you 2 earrings that I bought. These were also for 150. I mean, you can bargain if you buy one or more piece. If you buy 2 or more pieces, you can bargain. But the collections are really nice. And this was another earring. I hope you can see it. So these purchases, along with that, there were other jewelry purchases that I did. Okay, so this chain, let me open it and show it to you. A beautiful neck piece. Okay, this piece I really liked it. Okay, beautiful neck piece. It comes with the attachment harem kind of thing. So this I think was 450 or something, and I liked it. I picked it up immediately. And these earrings, these different kind of earrings, like the Lakshmi inside it. These earrings, I was searching for it from a very long time. I was able to find it, so I bought it from there only. So this costed me around 450. Yeah, it's a nice purchase that I did. You can If I wear it, it'll look like this. Nice, no? So these were a few picks that I bought. These were a few purchases that I have done, and I'm really happy about it. There were nice collections. Women who really like to just be there next to saris, or just have a view. Window shopping is also good. You can do a lot of shopping from these expos. You can find a variety of ranges of saris. You can find different kinds of materials also. So all these are really nice, and I did enjoy this shopping that I did. My honest review is, if you believe that you have a wonderful product that can be sold well, then please join in such kind of expos, showcase your products to people, because there won't be many people who will know you. But if you come to an exposure like this, if you have if you put up a stall and you connect with real customers, that's when you will know your how much are you worth of, and how much is your product really worth it. So it's a nice experience that Maithili is giving to all these small entrepreneurs. It's an exposure for them. There are stores where everybody is purchasing. There are stores where people literally come in crowds and buy. There are a lot of purchases that is being done as well. So this is my honest review, and if you would like to go to any of these sari expos, please make sure that you go with the mindset of exploring. You go with the mindset of finding new things, and you will be happy about it. And that's all I had for today's video. Thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.